Most people think of factories and transportation as the main cause of global warming, and don't realize that raising livestock is a major player. Animal factory farms contain at least 1,000 cattle, 125,000 chickens, and 2,500 pigs. And how did this all start? During the 1960s, industrial agriculture emerged, enabling the world population to grow. At the same time, this is when the fast food industry exploded. According to the United Nations, the livestock sector is responsible for 18% of global greenhouse emissions, more than the whole transportation sector combined. Animal factory farming accounts for 9% of total human-induced CO2, mostly triggered by land use changes such as deforestation. Forests are converted into fields for grazing, or feed crops such as soy and corn for livestock. Over time, fields become overgrazed, leading to soil degradation and desertification. Livestock is responsible for 37% of human-produced methane emissions, as well as 65% of nitrous oxide emissions, which both have an even stronger potential to warm the earth than carbon dioxide. Today, animal agriculture consumes alone 8% of our planet's total water supply. Just to produce 100 grams of beef takes roughly 200 liters of water. In the US, 55% of water use goes to agriculture, compared to 5% for domestic use. Animal waste and runoff from farms are stored in lagoons, which overflow and leak into waterways, creating ocean dead zones. And the situation is getting more and more crucial. How can we feed our growing population if already 39% of the world's ice-free land is used by agriculture, mainly for growing feed for animals? Research shows that the world's existing cropland could feed at least 3 billion extra people if it were used more efficiently. And 4 billion people could be fed with the amount of plant crops currently dedicated to livestock feed. A shift is slowly happening in the agricultural world. During an interview, Georges Martin explains that his biogas plant at his farm in Pridoux generates enough electricity in one day from 350 cows to supply 350 homes. Animal excrements and other organic matter ferment in a sealed tank where bacteria breaks it down and creates biogas that is then transformed into electricity. Biogas plants are a great way of reducing methane emissions while providing sustainable fuel, and they are slowly emerging all over the world. Many private companies are investing in tasty plant-based meat, dairy, and egg alternatives. Hampton Creek has a wide range of various plant-based foods. Another company called Impossible Foods has successfully created a burger that actually tastes like a real beef burger. It's now time for us to change from the unsustainable and inefficient way we produce food. We have to feed 2 billion more people by 2050, and do this without further destroying our planet. People can come together and encourage each other to make our future bright. Every action counts. We have reason to hope if everyone starts this critical shift. Let's stop harming our Earth. It's our only home.